California's intense weather at the start of 2023 has led to a number of changes in the state's climate, notably filling up usually dry lakes with the plentiful rainwater that fell over recent months. Owens Lake in Inyo County, 220 miles north of Los Angeles, is one such lake, with images taken by the Moderate Resolution Imaging Spectroradiometer (MODIS) on NASA's Terra satellite showing the significant increase in water levels between March 2022 and March 2023. Owens Lake was naturally full of water until the Los Angeles Aqueduct was constructed in 1913, which took so much water from the Owens River that the lake began to dry out. It remained mostly dry until this March, when the heavy rainfall in California caused the lake to fill back up. This also marks the first time that the Los Angeles Aqueduct was breached by extreme weather, the Los Angeles Times reported. The atmospheric river that hit California on March 9th to 10th resulted in between 5 and 13 inches of rain falling in central California, which filled the Los Angeles Aqueduct to such a degree that it burst its limits at Pleasant Valley Dam, flowing into the Owens River at a rate of 1,000 cubic feet per second, according to the Los Angeles Times. The entire state has found itself being rehydrated, with large portions of California that were under intense drought conditions mere months ago now being completely drought-free. Data from the U.S. Drought Monitor as of March 28 showed that 55.3% of the state is free of drought entirely, a large jump from the 44.7% recorded on March 14 and the 26.8% on March 7. Additionally, only 1.95% of the state is under severe drought, having dropped from 19% on March 7 and 8.49% on March 14. Only 6 months ago, on September 27, 2022, 53% of California was under severe drought, 24.32% was under extreme drought, and 16.57% was in the highest classification of exceptional drought. When people ask if California is getting wetter or drier, the answer is both. Rising temperatures in California dry out our landscapes, leading to longer droughts and more severe fire seasons, Tom Corringham, a research economist at Scripps Institution of Oceanography at UC San Diego, previously told Newsweek. Higher temperatures also allow the atmosphere to hold more water vapor, leading to more intense storms. This has been described as hydroclimate whiplash or weather on steroids. For Owens Lake in particular, this is an especially good thing, as the dry bed of the lake is considered to be the largest single source of dust pollution in the entire U.S. The exposed lake bed, which has been dried since around 1930, releases dust into the wind that contains carcinogens, such as cadmium, nickel, and arsenic. According to a 2007 risk assessment report of the lake's dust, the lake emits 80,000 tons each year and has 130 times the standard 24-hour concentrations of dust in the air, threatening the 40,000 residents within range of the dust. The emitted airborne particulate is small enough to travel great distances and can cause significant ecological and human health effects, including serious respiratory ailments, the report stated. The Los Angeles Department of Water and Power, LADWP, was required in the early 2000s to reestablish a small flow from the river into the lake to minimize the dryness of the lakebed, and as of 2022, the dust problem was 99.4% contained, according to the LADWP. Regardless, this recent influx of water will further help to reduce the lake's dust problem.